how to organize and plan your day in order to be more productive. So if you start your day with a clear intention of items that you'd like to cross off your to-do list, and you have those items written down, you're much more likely to actually accomplish those tasks. And here's one way you can organize your day. You can think of different blocks of time. For example, from 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock, you're going to be working on your English 102 work and your Math 117 work. And then later in the day, you can have another 2-hour block from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. working on your English again and also your COM 108 work. And I suggest including in your list other things that are not work related, like walking your dogs or chatting with friends. I think what's important is that you prioritize and think about what's due first and how long it'll take you to complete it. So I think it's human nature to procrastinate and put tasks off that we feel like are difficult, but it might not be in your best interest to leave those tasks for last. So think about what's due first, how long it'll take, and try to prioritize your day.
Subscribe to Kohlberg Classroom and be on the lookout for new videos.